Well, hello again. Thank you for checking into our video. Today we are going to talk about common toxins or poisons in cats for our pet cats. And today we have Miranda here holding Jinx. And Jinx is one of our kitties here at Fox Creek Veterinary Hospital. So basically there's, just like with the dogs, there's about 4 different categories of toxins that are potentially very harmful to cats. Food items in our house are definitely one of them. Some of the things, just like with dogs that we see, would be onions. Chocolate, it's actually toxic to cats. The nice thing is cats generally do not eat chocolate type items, but it is very toxic, to cats also. Other things that we would see would be like garlic. That can be very, very harmful to cats also. Some of the household items that we have on our table here that, just like with dogs, can be very harmful would be antifreeze. It's highly toxic to cats. The windshield washer fluid is another one that can potentially be a problem. Something that we wouldn't think about, but we actually use a lot of flea and tick prevention in dogs. And there's an ingredient called permethrin in a lot of these topical flea and tick preventives, which can be highly toxic to cats if they get that on their fur. That can even be life-threatening, something we recommend washing off the second you use it. So look for that little symbol on there, which you saw in the video, which says, warning, do not use in cats. Some of the other medications that people might take that can be toxic in dogs, but especially cats, would be Tylenol. Never ever give a cat Tylenol. All of the products like aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, all of those can be highly toxic. Cats cannot metabolize these medications very well at all. The other ones that we see that are not as common, but something to think about, would be antidepressant medications such as Effexor or Cymbalta. A lot of cats actually like the taste of the Effexor, which is an antidepressant. That one can actually cause them to be very sick. That's something to watch very closely. And then the last one would be plants. We know cats like to chew on plants, and there are some real common plants that we sometimes get around Easter time, such as lilies, that can cause kidney failure in cats. Never have lilies in your house if you have a cat. Sago palms are becoming more popular, azaleas, daffodils. Those are just some of the many examples of toxic plants that we have. Like I said, there's so many different toxins out there, we can't list them all, but definitely you can check our list on the website, and that will help you determine if your cat potentially could have eaten a toxin. Most importantly, always call your veterinarian, even if you're not sure. Your veterinarian can always give you the best advice to whether Jinx or your cat may have eaten something that could be potentially harmful.